You said samskaras of the past, but is the samskaras of previous birth also?
Yes. Past means all your yesterday, previous birth, previous to previous birth, everything. Everything.
TPS is those actual conscious moments in our life. So you told us during the NSP that at the time of death there is a fast forward, and the conscious moments are the only ones that actually carry along. And since more and more less TPS and more conscious moments, less and less karmas we carry along.
Yes. Less and less karmas you carry. If you touch at least once the time shaft in your lifetime, and the end again you will be only sitting in the time shaft. You will be thrown to the time shaft.
Swamiji, this is the tunnel where everyone talks in near-death experience.
Yes. NDE. NDE tunnel. This NDE tunnel.
What is NDE?
Near-death experience. There are thousands of people who had near-death experience. There is a doctor who runs a website called NDE. Just NDE. He has recorded thousands of people's experience. The beauty is whether they are Hindu, Christian, Muslim, whomsoever they may be. But NDE is one and the same. NDE is what I speak in NSP. Same NDE only everybody had. This shows very clearly. Ultimately, God doesn't know who is Hindu, who is Christian, who is Muslim and all. He knows only consciousness.
NSP experience came to.
Yes. Yesterday we received an email from our Prabhavananda, Oklahoma devotee. Robin. Her mother did a NSP with us. Here is a testimonial for NSP. In NSP, I think even the last NSP I told, if you have done NSP and fall into unconscious at least once, only then you will understand what NSP has done to you. Here is an email which says, the mother was slowly passing away. The daughter and the mother both did NSP. Daughter is sitting. She saw very clearly the Sahasrara opening and the energy moving out. Swami standing in white dress and laughing, and the energy slowly moving out and disappearing into the existence, just becoming one with the cosmic energy. Even the doctors and nurses, they were shocked to see so much of energy in the room. Just yesterday we received an email. All right. Any questions about this time shaft theory?
Swami, how do so many people, when they receive a healing, and even a physical healing, after a while, the TPS goes back up, they create.
You see, and the TPS goes up, naturally, they will create more disease.
Or the same.
That is what I am telling. If you just heal them, it will be like giving them fish. If you give them meditation, it's like teaching them how to fish. So, you see, teach them meditation. Naturally, they will not create the disease again. You see, when they come with a headache, healing headache is okay. But teach them how to keep the head calm, so that they will not create headache once more. Now, all of you understand this time shaft theory? Anybody who is not able to understand? Yes.
When we go to office, Monday through Friday or Saturday, it goes just like that. But in Sunday, I find the time is moving very slowly when we are not meditating. But in the same way, when you look at the year, last year Jayanti to this year Jayanti, it appears just like that too. How it is related to time shaft?
You see, it means in your life you have not met much of sufferings. Your TPS is, by naturally, your TPS is less. Something, what you are doing, you are enjoying. Some way. That is the reason you feel the time is flying. If you are feeling the time is flying, it means you can pat yourself. You are doing something nice. You are enjoying what you are doing. Then go ahead with your life, nothing wrong. Perfectly alright. But if you feel time is not moving, horrible, then naturally you have too much of TPS. The more TPS, more depression, that's all. More suffering, that's all, nothing else. More mental torture, that's all, nothing else.
So we spoke about surrender. Responding to the call of the master and surrender, is it the same?
Yes.
Now there is a call from the master and there is something happening there. Now one responds to God.
Mm.
But something is happening here because of our non-presence.
Mm.
How do you handle these two things? I mean, this is a very practical problem that many women especially face.
Mm. Simply respond to the master's call. Everything else will be taken care.
This happens when you don't bring yourself in.
Mm.
But witnessing is the opposite decision. You're creating that distance.
No. When you witness, actually, the small I disappears. You become capital I. You see, when I say get out, I say small I. When I say witness, bring the capital I. When you witness, you bring the capital I in. Small I and capital I confusion, that's all.
If you want to create some future and they say like you have to imagine about that,
Mm-hmm.
and if you are imagining and living upon that, you are going to your future.
All you are imagining about the future, will be nothing but the expression of the past. If you have enjoyed something deeply in the past, or if you thought you enjoyed something in the past, that is the same way you will create about the future. Don't create anything called your so-called future. Just penetrate the time shaft. Future will be art. You see, if you create the future, you will be creating. If you let me create the future, I will be creating. You are intelligent or I am intelligent. Decide. Who is supposed to create your future? Decide. If you relax, I will create. If you create, you will create. Who should create? Decide. Next.
Those who surrender to you totally, will you be there at the time of death?
Yes. Sure, I will be. Even after the NSP, whatever way you live, you will see that at the last moment I will be there.
That's a gift for everybody who is
Yes. Who has done complete NSP. It's a pure gift. When you are totally surrendered, even physically, even your life will be there with me. You see, when you, at the moment of dying, just to have a physical master's presence or spiritual presence is not a big job, not a big deal. Having that presence when you are living also, that is the real beauty. That is the great beauty. Enjoying now, see, that's a big treasure. Will you say, let it be there, after 50 years you will enjoy? No. If you really understand it's a treasure, you want now, let us enjoy. Why tomorrow morning, tonight? Now, naturally, you will say now.
TPS and all this is only for human beings or for what about the other animals?
All other animals, too much of TPS. The more TPS, totally unconscious. The more TPS, you become more instinct. Around the human level TPS, you become intellect. The less TPS, you become intelligent. Instinct, intellect, intelligence.
Intuition, when does it come in? Some
Intuition when you touch the time shaft. When you just touch the time shaft, where the whole future and the whole past is seen, that's intuition. When you penetrate the time shaft, you become individual or enlightened.
Swami, I read in the newspaper when the tsunami waves attacked, the animals came to know about 10 minutes earlier and they all ran from the shore.
That's what instinct. Instinct. And actually, instinct is also a little bit okay.
They live more
Intelligence also a little bit okay. This intellect is the greatest trouble. That's what. Human beings are the only guys who are in trouble. If you become enlightened, you have no trouble. If you are just animal, if you are a monkey, then also no trouble. Neither monkey suffers nor enlightened master suffers.
What about mentally retarded people? There's a neighbor of mine has a mentally retarded person.
Too much of frequency only.
Okay.
Swamiji, in dreams, once in a while you see impressions of some ancient times and something which you
Again, too much of frequency.
Is it too much of frequency, Swamiji, or it's a less frequency because you're seeing the future and
You're
past?
seeing
No. And actually, see, too much of frequency only you will see. In the less frequency, actually less frequency it will come different vision. Less frequency, what comes as is a vision. Too much of frequency only dreams happen. You see, visions will not make you tired. The dreams will make you tired. In the early morning when you get up, if you are tired, dull, want to rest, tired of taking rest.
When
If you are tired after getting up, whatever you had is dream. If you are fresh, alive, bubbling, jumping, if you feel like dancing, the moment you come out of your bed, the moment you get up, not even come out of the moment you get up, your steps should be more like a dance instead of steps. Then you are having visions. Otherwise, it is just dreams.
Does the mind get blocked when the frequency reduces?
Does the mind gets blocked?
When the frequency reduces?
No. Mind gets open when the frequency reduces. Mind gets black only when the frequency increases. It becomes solid stone. Blackage.
Swamiji, one of
There was
the
a theory about one scientist. If a person is able to move beyond the speed of light, he will become infinite weight.
Yes. No, not infinite weight. It will become anima. Anima, Mahima, Lahima, Karima is one and the same. Anima means what? Just becoming the whole. Lahima means what? Just becoming nothing. Becoming nothing and becoming whole is one and the same. He says he will become a big weight. I say he will become nothing. Both are one and the same.
But what is the connection with the speed of light to that? Why one has to travel beyond the speed of light?
You see,
That is physical.
this is all frequency level. In certain frequency level, you are a human being. In certain frequency level, you are in the dream world. In certain frequency level, you are in the castle body. In certain frequency level, you are in Deva. He says about the Devaloka.
It is thought that
This is
this
more
speed.
physical, whereas this is all on the thought.
Physical thought level is one and the same. Nothing is two different things. The more, if 100 TPS means you are physical. If the TPS is less, you are mental. That's all. Your thought and you are not two different things. Please be very clear. Your thought and you are not two different things. You are totality of all your thoughts. All your thoughts put together is what is you.
Swamiji, when we are working against some time targets, though we enjoy the job and still do it, we always feel we are running short of time.
Again, the TPS is too much because of worry.
We are really
Yes.
the job which we are enjoying.
Again, then pressure. Pressure brings the TPS. You may enjoy the job, but not the fear. Again, pressure brings the TPS.
Swami, is the body structure related to our thoughts?
Yes, directly.
So we can change it.
Yes, simply you can program your body. Now I am coming up with a book called Designing Your Body. Designing Your Body. Nitya Yoga.
Swamiji, in one of the lectures, you talked about energy going up, the 7 energy centers. And you said once it comes to the naval center, then people have the ability to predict the future.
That is what? You touch the time shaft.
Okay, so they are linked.
Linked.
Low TPS is operating from the state of the being.
No, I am operating. Lower TPS is what is operating from the state of the being.
And also one doubt is that you said when we come close to you, we feel the presence. People who got Anandagandha initiated rituals. Why does the Anya also?
If you are centered on the particular chakra will start working. And one more thing, all my music is having my presence through ears. I am giving a big rubber stamp. Understand? All my music is having my presence through your ears. All my pictures are having my presence through your eyes.
Doesn't it go straight into the chakra if you focus on the chakra? Doesn't need the ears. If someone were deaf, could they actually still receive it directly?
Any other questions about this time shaft? And this Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya koshas?
Swami, this explains something that's been taught to me in movement, in the Tai Chi. Teachers say, slow is fast, fast is slow. This is perfect explanation. I never understood it before.
Actually, when you meet a master, living master, everything falls zigzag. Now all the zigzag puzzles just fall in line. Everything falls in tune. As long as you see a living master, whatever you learn is just puzzle. Just there, here and there. Once you meet a master, living master, everything falls in line. Tuck, as if something is pulled and suck. Up. Anyhow, all this, so much of reading, nothing is understood. The moment when you see a living master, everything falls in place. When you are in the master's presence, the TPS comes down, intelligence starts working, everything falls in line, falls in tune. The less TPS, more intelligence, more bliss, more energy. Bliss, intelligence, energy, compassion, everything is one and the same.
Swamiji, people who are not physically close to you, I mean, this whole theory.
And this works. Less TPS is enough.
No, but if you are away from you, what are some of the techniques by which you can still
Of course, I produced so much, so many of my techniques and my photograph, my kirtans, my message, all these things are naturally.
Okay, so if you listen to them, that is all.
And that's one of the wonderful steps. And just remembering me, Anandagandha. Anandagandha is straight. When you fall in Anandagandha straight, practically you fall to 0 TPS.
Swamiji.
Just 0 TPS. You see, the moment you are connected to Anandagandha, the energy starts happening. You are less than 20 TPS. Be very clear, less than 20 TPS. The moment you fall clear into Anandagandha, you are already in 0 TPS.
Swamiji, this is not only time shaft breaks, even space breaks.
Yes. Time shaft and space is nothing but one and the same.
So your distance and nearness is not there.
Yes.
Physical is over.
Yes. You see, in the 100 TPS, even this distance is too much. In 100 TPS, even this distance, what I say you will misunderstand. When the TPS is more, what I say you will misunderstand. And even if you see me, what will you think? What is this? Such a young guy, what he can teach? You have your own, people have got their own ideas. People have got their own ideas. I dance. They have their own ideas because the TPS is more. They project themselves on me. Even if you live around me, when I fire you, you think I am a human being. When I bring my energy to destroy your human aspects, you think I am a human being. All your misunderstanding is physically around me and too much of TPS. This too much of TPS guys create problem for me also, actually. I tell you honestly, this too much of TPS guys only create all problems for all living masters. All problems created for all living masters is too much of TPS only. When you are actually, if you are not mature to certain TPS, better don't live near the master. Otherwise you will hurt yourself and hurt others. Hurt him also. So, if the TPS is less, even if you are sitting in San Jose, you will be falling in tune with me. No problem.